All right, good morning, guys. You two people world, whoever's wherever. Yesterday morning, we went shopping, bought some plant-toned organic. Anyway, welcome back. Half Fast 719. Bought some VP racing fuel for the small engine, some weed killer, a shovel, a rake. Hopefully they'll hold up better than the Harbor Freight one. Some trees, shrub, garden, soil. Beautiful trees, shrubs. This part here got delayed. Don't know when it's gonna be here now. Says delayed. Drove the truck yesterday. Had to pick up a box of socks. Ooh, what does that say? YXZ radius .095 cage kit LSK box 1 of 1. I don't know what I was gonna do now. Oh yeah, let's show you guys my Harbor Freight rake. Don't buy gardening tools from Harbor Freight. I mean, it's probably an easy fix, but anyway, handle came off the rake. You can see they put the screw super low. They don't even get any of the handle in there. So I'm probably gonna stick this in the lathe and turn it so I can get some bite, and then I'll use that rake. So yes, anyway, basically this video is gonna be, I'm gonna pull this box out, start cleaning and prepping the cage, and yeah, this was a really nice cage. I hate that it's damaged, because it was a really well-made cage, considering it had the doused DHST or something, the quick thingies. It had those, has the thicker whip things, which I might end up cutting off. But anyway, you can see that big old divot right there. Big old dent. I think if that dent wasn't there, well, I guess not, because this is all crushed in here too. Anyway, it did its job. So, whatever. Well, regardless, this cage was too low anyway. I didn't like how low it was. Like, my helmet to the roof was like that far away. So you want a full fist, from thumb to bottom of your palm in there. And yeah, so that's why I wanted to go to a taller. Wait, how did they get out of the box? What? Oh boy. Just kidding, guys. Anyway, took it out of the box because we went thrift shopping while we went down there and picked it up, and I didn't want someone to steal it, so we took all the parts out of the box and threw them in the cab. So, anyway, the box is empty. It's just trash. I was hoping someone would steal the box so I wouldn't have to take it home. So, all right, this is the cage. It's LSK Suspension cage. It says YXZ rolled cage. I don't know why they call it rolled, but anyway, it's got little etchings on it, supposedly. I'm having a hard time seeing the etchings, but it came with instructions, some stickers, a little LSK badge that you can drill and tack on or whatever. Don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. Probably going to have them powder coat the cage the same color as the arms and everything. So I'll probably just bring this arm in there, that arm in there, and see if they'll match it. But yeah, so comes with stickers, some other junk, shipping label, comes with the roof tabs, which are really thick, and bolts. Oh, and then I got that yesterday, a little boot for the brake caliper. And yeah, so I've just been cleaning it as I'm pulling the pieces. Here's all the pieces, all right there. I think there's 17 pieces total, is what I think I counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I don't know. I think I know how to count. But anyway, I think I counted 17 pieces. So there's 4 up there right now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then the roof. So the roof is a little scratched, but I think that's from me. I should have turned the roof upside down and put the parts on it, and instead I was in a hurry as usual. And yeah, so oh yeah, by the way, they're going to be repaving our road, so they're street sweeping. He's coming, I think. Should be right there. It's loud. Oh, there it is. Contractors. County's supposed to be doing it. My kid is actually supposed to be working in this area, but I guess they're hiring out contractors because they're way too busy doing flood cleanup and all the other stuff. But anyway, so I'm using rag, acetone, cleaning all the grease stuff off of the pipe. They say to clean the spot. I'm just cleaning the whole pipe because I know what's going to happen is I'm going to clean just these spots here, just the spot there, send it in for powder coat, and powder coat people are not going to clean it. They're just going to powder coat it, and then I'm going to have powder coat chipping off. So anyway, I'm just cleaning the whole pipe as I go. Buddy of mine, the other guy that I go camping with, he's going to be here tomorrow, and hopefully the front clip will be here tomorrow. It was supposed to be here today, but I don't know. It's a delay. So yeah, that's where I'm at. So I still have to cut this off wherever it's going to go. And I got to cut this off, and then that piece, I got to cut that one off and clean this tubing right there. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm just going to try to take a little Dremel and cut on this side of the weld all the way around. Just do nice little cuts. Take this whole piece off this way. I'll just have to grind the welds off. But so far, LSK cage is fitting weird. Once I get all the pieces on here that can be on here, I might mark these and then try to pound these in deeper because I don't know. It's not ready yet. This one I pounded in some, and you can still see it. It's not sitting perfectly flush because, you know, pipe walls are square and this little thing right here is square, so it's only going to fit square in the pipe as far as it can go. So what I'm saying is it won't fit in like this. It's meant to fit in like this. So when you have that weird angle like that, you know, this technically should be sitting like this and not like this. So it's only going to go in as far as it can go. But yeah, so anyway. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. Once it gets a little later, I think it's like 7 o'clock, 7:30. I will be going out and planting those trees. So yeah, that's what I got going on today, guys. I'm just cleaning. I just want to get all the pipe cleaned, all the tubing cleaned, and figure out where everything goes. And then somebody on the YXZ forum or whatever YXZ addicts page I follow on Facebook said once you get it all basically where you want it, put the roof on there and make sure the roof lines up. Basically, they're saying make sure it's square, so the roof doesn't go there, or this front piece doesn't go there, and actually comes down a lot farther. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick the roof on there and see where this front bar falls. Wherever that bar falls, then I'll run a strap somewhere probably like right here to pinch that together where it needs to be, and yeah, we'll go from there. But so far, I don't know, looks like it needs to go that way. Yeah, that way. So I'm not going to be doing like a welding video or anything like that. You want to watch welding videos, watch welding videos. I'm not doing any of that stuff anymore just because, I don't know, the time to set up, and plus people out there already have videos of welding. I don't know if I'm going to MIG tack it or TIG tack it and then TIG it. Let the guy coming over figure out what he wants to do, because I think what he's going to do, excuse me, is we're going to get it all tacked up and welded strong enough, you know, do like good sized beads, tack it all, and then do like a couple good sized beads, and then he's going to take it home, I think. I'll let him decide what he wants to do. If he don't want to take it home and he wants to wait till the whole car and then weld it completely on the car, I don't know. I haven't really asked him about that yet, but yeah. So, all right, guys, that's all I got. I'm just cleaning away, and got parts everywhere. My little tool that I made. I didn't make the Milwaukee. I didn't make that. I just modified it, I should say. And now you can buy these, apparently. So, pretty dope little tool. I've been cleaning out the inside of the pipe where they didn't clean out. Seems like a couple of the spots I've had to ream out. I think it was this bar. This one here. They left a bunch of burr inside the pipe, inside the tubing, and it wouldn't fit over these fittings, these bungs or fittings, whatever you call these things. So I had to the inside to get this pipe on. So it might be the case for these. But anyway, so all right, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment. Keep trying to look at my watch, but I'm not wearing one. I'll see you guys on the next video. Probably do an unboxing once I get that front clip. I have to take this all off still because, as you can see, it's lifted. These little brackets in there are bent. So I'll probably take that off once I get all the pipe cleaned, all the tubing cleaned. I'll take this box off, take this deck off. I do have a new deck for this, but I'm not going to use it. I'm going to save it for a new old stock when people are keeping these as classics in 15, 20 years and they want a new deck. And I'm like, oh, I got a brand new one in the package. $1,300. All right, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you guys do. Later.